What are y'all doing? We are at the next step. Now, I've been sanding on this thing, okay? I'm down to 600 grit, both sides, and this is the back side. This is as far as I'm going to go on the back at 600 grit, and then the other side, I'm going to bring even finer, down to a 1200. However, at 600 grit, that's kind of I use it as a good point to what happens is as you start sanding with finer sandpaper, you start compressing fibers, and you're packing sawdust into the grains and any openings and any kind of you see that, like, you get sawdust in stuff like that. All right, we want to be smooth as possible, so we do what they call water popping. And you can see I literally sprayed just regular water on the board, and what's happening is you can see how it's raising the fibers there. All right, and that's what we want. We're going to let this soak in. All right, and it does take some time with black walnut because it's a really dense wood, but we're going to let that soak in. And when that's dried, we're going to go through with 600 grit one more time, and we're going to sand it. We're going to sand all those fibers that raised up smooth. So the next time, if whoever does get this rinses it off in the sink, it will stay as smooth as the day they bought it. And that's one way to help that, is to water pop. All right. So this is the 7th step that I've been doing in the process of making this charcuterie board. All right. And there's a lot of sanding involved. But if you miss these key steps, you'll get a not so smooth cutting board. All right. So I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to sand it to 600. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. But then we're going to go to 800 and eventually all the way to 1200 grit. So this is the step we're on now. Water popping for the smoothest board possible. Happy farming, y'all. Later.